Hi guys. Today I am installing a security camera in the basement. This time I select the Arlo Essential Indoor Camera second generation. This camera is with 2K image feature. Please also check out another YouTube video I released recently, which shows how to install the WiseCam Pen V3. I installed the Wise at my house, and I am installing the Arlo at an apartment building I own. The reason why I'm installing this Arlo camera in an apartment building is because there were some incidents before, and now I have to just monitor the environment. Anyways, as always, I checked out the camera box first and then check inside what is included in the package. As you can see, camera is of course included, and a screw to install it on the wall, and a power adapter, and this is the instruction manual. You scan the QR code, which is taking you to the app page. By the way, I use an iPhone. And installation starts. When installation completes, opening the app and the notification, we want to receive it, so hit allow. And then this time, this is my first Arlo equipment, so I'm creating a new account. Email verification starts, receiving an email, and that takes you to the congratulations page. And I'm securing my account, and I'm adding my phone as a trusted device. I added my phone name to the name trusted device screen. By the way, if you wanna ever change your trusted device name, you have to first go to our website of Arlo's, log in, and from there you remove the trusted device and then add back the trusted device through this app once again. Now I'm creating a new location where I install this camera, and choose the time zone and add your specific camera to the app. In this case, it's a Essential Generation 2 camera. So I chose the Essential series, and then second generation camera, which has the button on top, and use the Bluetooth to communicate with my phone. So as instructed, I press the pairing button on top of the camera for 3 seconds. Then the device or camera is now connected to my app. Then choose my wireless network and type in the Wi-Fi password. it's done. The camera is trying to connect the Wi-Fi network. And I named my camera. And hit continue. Then the device will update the firmware. And this part also took me approximately 90 seconds to complete. And for this camera, I didn't install it on the wall. I just put it on a flat surface. And as instructed, I adjusted the camera angle. And I'm already shown in the image. And the camera is active. And I did the necessary setup. And this is how I completed the setup. And for some reasons, the video it just took, I just couldn't watch it for a while. Maybe because the initial setup is still taking place. But few minutes later, it started working and I tested the live feed. And everything's working now. And for your reference, this is the color image when the light is turned on. After installing this essential indoor camera, I also installed a Pro 4 camera as well for this location. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you soon in the next video.